Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. As you know that it's your English lecture. So you know that we are doing poem The Lighthouse. We will do main idea or theme of the poem. So first we will write classwork on your notebook after that date, which is Wednesday 3rd December 2020. Your subject is English literature. Your textbook is read now. Page number 107. Topic The Lighthouse. And exercise number 3, write the main theme of the poem. Okay. What is the main idea? Main idea is the most important part the author is making while writing. When the poet or author is writing something, so main idea is the thing on which the whole writing piece is based. Okay. So strategies to find out: use title and headings. First of all, you can understand the main idea of the poem by reading its name. For example, the name of this poem is Lighthouse. So you can understand that the writer is writing about a lighthouse. Use topic sentence, the first sentence of the poem. Use concluding sentence, the end sentence of the poem. Look for repeated ideas. So, repeated ideas, what is he repeating again? He or she repeating again and again. For example, if we read the poem again, you can see the poem name is The Lighthouse and it is ending stretched like a rope to save. This poem is totally based on the lighthouse and its work and how it helps ship or people to save their lives or to find out the way. So now we will write the main idea or theme of the poem. This poem is written by Marjorie Wilson. The poet in this poem describes about lighthouse. I already told you. He says that a lighthouse stands alone on seashore. As you can find out on your reading when we read the poem, that it is always alone, standing on seashore. There are no streets, no people, no hawkers, no one there is alone. A lighthouse stands, and the lighthouse keeper takes care of the lighthouse only, every day and night, showing the way on the sea. It is always showing the way to the people or ships. See, it doesn't matter it is day or night. So you will write this main idea of the theme on your of the poem on your notebooks. Okay, and do your work in neat handwriting. So beta, this was our lecture for today. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.